nord-atlantique. Elle met la dernière main à la coédition d'un ouvrage, of the Harmony of Society, Tibetans and Uyghurs, Socialist China, aux marges de la société harmonieuse, Ouïghours et Tibétains dans la Chine socialiste, un livre qui va paraître à Copenhague. Et elle va rédiger un livre sur Rulers and Ruled, Between Two Civilizations, Uyghur Agrarian Communities in Eastern Xinjiang, gouvernants et gouvernés entre deux civilisations, les communautés agraires ouïghours dans le Xinjiang oriental au XVIIIe, XXIe siècle. Elle va maintenant nous parler The Bulldozer State, Chinese Socialist Development in Xinjiang. Merci Ildiko, une demi-heure, pas plus.
Thank you very much, Françoise, for a very nice introduction. I would like to thank the organizers as well for having me here. It's a great honor to have been invited. And thank you for
us.
Thank you for an excellent organization. And I apologize for having to speak in English because my French is not up to the job. This paper is about my recent research in Eastern Xinjiang, but in many ways I am actually trying to follow in the footsteps of Jean-Paul Loup, who actually set the scene for my paper as well, but we are going to shift the region from the south of Xinjiang to Eastern Xinjiang. This is a paper which is going to be published quite soon in a volume which is about the state in Central Asia. I can't remember the exact title. What do I want to do in this paper? First of all, the background to my paper is pretty similar to the background to Jean-Paul Loup's paper, which is the Great Western Development Campaign, which was launched not only in Xinjiang but in China's very vaguely defined Western region in 2000. And ever since that time, of course, as you all know, accelerated development is going on, and not only in Kashgar, but all over